Hello, my name Amelia and you are watching channel Zombie. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix ieframe.dll error, and it seems you are facing problem while using browser, but worry not, I am going to show you how to kick the butt of this error, so stick to my video and we are going to end this nightmare. Restart your computer unless you've already done so. The ieframe.dll error might be a fluke and a simple restart could clear it up completely. Solution: Note 2. Reinstalling or updating to the latest version of Internet Explorer has resolved many users' issues with ieframe.dll. Solution number 3. Clear the temporary Internet files in Internet Explorer. Sometimes issues might have to do with problems accessing existing temporary Internet files. Solution number 4. Installing more recent updates, especially those to the Windows Update software itself, might help resolve the problem. I hope this video will help you a lot, so now I have to go and I will see you in the next video.